Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is a special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year prelims economic questions. Okay, so this session is purely focused on how to approach the upcoming prelims and how to eliminate any statements and go for answers. Okay, and also how to find the key within the questions. Okay, so all these things will be discussed here. Okay, so let's begin the session. Okay, consider the following statement. First statement. The quantity of imported edible oil is more than the domestic productions of the edible oil in the last 5 years. See, first thing you have to know that when it comes to the oil, see how to study. That thing is I have to see. Okay. First of all, if you are studying about any topic like soils means you have to make a table. Okay. So table will be have like alluvial soil, black soil. Okay. And then what you say, laterite soil, red soil, saline soil, okay, peat soil, okay, such a way in that in this way you have to make it as how it is origin, okay, how it is made, okay, how it is naturally founded, okay, where it is founded, okay, so what are the nutrients it is having, okay, and then in which state it is more it is there, okay, so such a way you have to make it, okay, tabular arrangement. Okay, so if you made this means you can find that there is certain similarities between every soils. Okay, so while I'm making the tabular for the soils, okay, I find that any of the soil, okay, whatever soil, okay, whatever soils in India, they are deficient in nitrogen. Okay, so I will make a statement like in India all soils are deficient in nitrogen. Okay, such a way I will make a statement. Okay, so that the way you have to study. Okay, so it is a holistic arrangement and you have to find or make certain statements and you have to study it. Okay, so for that oil seeds also there is certain idea. Okay, when it comes to oil seeds means India is actually the largest consumer of the oil seeds. Okay, see in PDS system we are providing oils. Okay, this is a palm oil. Okay, we are providing a palm oil to people. Okay, see the reason behind this, we are largest consumer of the palm oil. Okay, and also in reality the cultivable land for the palm oil or any other oil seeds is limited for India. Okay, see oil seeds are only grow in the tropical region. Okay, when it comes to India, okay, so only half of this region is comes under the tropical region. Okay, so with this production you have to manage the total country's need. It is not at all possible. Okay, so such a way you have to think it. Okay, so if you have the broad knowledge about the oil seeds, okay, so for the climatic condition that is needed for the oil seeds, okay, so or else what are the people they are consuming more. Okay, so if you have that knowledge means you can easily go for answer by elimination itself. Okay, so the quantity of the imported edible oil is more than the domestic production. Yes, obviously it's right. Okay, the government does not impose any customs duties on all the imported oil seeds as a special one, as a special case. Okay, the statement have the all the imported edible oils. Okay, consider that if it is no custom duties or anything means the importer, okay, or else the exporting country will dominate the Indian producers. Okay, so they will see, consider that the foreign seller tried to sell the product at a very low price. Okay, so by that he will eliminate the domestic producer. Okay, once the domestic producer is eliminated, then he will put the prices very high because there is no competitor to sell any product. Okay, so this thing may happen. Okay, so at that scenario, if you are going to allow the imported products without any custom duties means that is definitely going to affect the domestic producer. Okay, and the statement is having actually the extreme statement is all the imported oil seeds. Okay, so by that itself the second statement is wrong. Okay, and also see, India is actually a developing country. Okay, so always they have certain fear of the domination of the foreign countries. Okay, foreign producers, so they will always have certain customs duties imposed on the imported products. Okay, so these are the things you have to know. Okay, so this statement is actually wrong, so the answer is one only. Okay, so see, it is all about, if you have a broad knowledge about India, okay, what is the consumption pattern of India, okay, what are the produce we are producing, okay, so what are the things are produced in the PDS system, what are the things that we are actually the import dependent. Okay, if you have the broad knowledge, means by that itself you can answer more than 50 questions in UPSC Prelims. Okay, but you have to look into certain statements and you have to try to find certain key within the question. Okay, for that you need certain calmness with you. Okay, if you've done that, means you can easily crack the prelims. Okay, thank you.